The Solution Explorer window can be found at the top right of the Visual Studio screen. It displays all of the web pages and other objects that are in your current project, and allows you to edit them. It also enables you to add files to your project and remove them. When you created My Project in Lesson 1.5, a lot of different files were automatically added to it. In this lesson, you'll learn how to open some of those files, add new files, and remove files. First, we'll open My Project by clicking File, Open Project, and navigating to the Sample Files folder. I'll then open the My Project folder, select myproject.sln, and click Open. You could also have done this by navigating to the My Project folder in Windows and double-clicking on myproject.sln. In the Solution Explorer, you can see all of the files that are in My Project. I'm going to open default.aspx by double-clicking on it. You can open any file in your project by double-clicking on it in this way. Don't worry if you don't understand any of the HTML code displayed yet. By the end of this course, you'll completely understand what it all means. An ASPX file acts as a web page and can be understood by a web browser. You may have noticed some web addresses ending with .aspx while browsing the internet. Default.aspx is normally the home page of a website. Each ASPX file also has a C# code behind file. To open the code behind file of default.aspx, I'll click the small arrow next to it, and then double-click default.aspx.cs. You can also open the code behind file of an ASPX page by right-clicking on it and clicking View Code. Next, we're going to add a new page to the project. To do this, right-click My Project, go to the Add option, and click New Item. The Add New Item dialog is displayed. To add a new page, I'll click the Web category and click Web Form from the central panel. A web form is an ASPX page. Finally, I'll need to give the page a name. I'll call it mypage.aspx. And click Add. The HTML code of mypage.aspx is automatically opened, and you can see that mypage.aspx has appeared in the Solution Explorer. Next, we're going to add a new folder to the project. To do this, we'll right-click My Project, go to the Add option, and click New Folder. The new folder is created and is highlighted, waiting for us to give it a new name. We'll call it Images, and press Enter. You should only ever create folders in a project using the Solution Explorer. If you create folders using Windows, there is no way to add them to your project. Next, we're going to add an image to the Images folder. To do this, we'll right-click Images, go to the Add option, and click Existing Item. We'll then navigate to the Sample Files folder and open the Images folder. We're going to add balloon.jpg, so I'll click on that and then click Add. A copy of balloon.jpg has now been added to the Images folder. You can add any file to your project in this way. You might think that if you used Windows to copy an image into your Images folder, it would automatically appear in the project, but this isn't the case. Because you're using a web application project, only the files you specifically add using the Solution Explorer will appear when you publish your site. Next, we're going to remove the about.aspx page. To do this, right-click on about.aspx and then click Delete. If I then click OK, about.aspx is removed from the project and has been moved to the recycle bin. Finally, we're going to exclude balloon.jpg from the project. To do this, right-click on balloon.jpg and click Exclude from Project. Balloon.jpg has now been removed from the project, but the file has not been deleted. If I open the My Project folder in Windows and open the Images folder, you can see that balloon.jpg is still there. Excluding is useful when you want to remove something from a project, but aren't sure if you might need it again later. You've now completed Lesson 1.7, Manage a Project with the Solution Explorer.